Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about an example for the Turing machine problem, construction of a Turing machine for concatenation function. So, this is otherwise called as f of n1 comma n2 equals n1 n2. We have to concatenate n2 with n1, or we can also say n1 plus n2. Here the plus is not an arithmetic plus, it's a string concatenation. So, if the tape head scanning the first symbol, and assume that our tape initially has 3 zeros followed by 1 followed by 2 zeros. Okay, the tape initially has n1 number of zeros followed by the separator symbol 1 followed by n2 number of zeros. Okay, here the input alphabet is not given, so we can take zeros and ones, or a's and b's, any input alphabet we can choose. I have taken zeros and ones. So here n1 is 3, n2 is 2. Okay, so we need and the separator symbol is 1. Okay, initially the tape head is scanning the leftmost symbol of the input string. Okay, so it has 3 zeros and 2 zeros on the tape head initially. So final output should be 5 zeros, right? Concatenation function. So we have to append n2 number of zeros with the n1 number of zeros. So finally we need to get 5 zeros in the tape. So the concept is when we see number of zeros, simply we can move on to the right side until we have seen 1, right? So the tape head simply move on to right until it has seen 1. So whenever we see 1, it should be replaced by 0. Then we need to move to the right side. Again we will see some number of zeros. So for the number of zeros, simply we have to move on to the right side until we have seen blank. Okay, so now what happens, here 1 is replaced by 0, but concatenation means our output should be 5 zeros, but if we replace 1 by 0, we will have one more 0 in addition to output. Okay, we need only 5 zeros, but after replacing 1 by 0, we will have 6 zeros. So whenever we reach blank, we have to move to the left side, and 1 0 should be replaced by blank. Okay, so this 0 must be replaced by blank. Then we can enter into the final state. So now the tape has 5 zeros. Okay, so concatenation operation is performed here. N1 number of zeros concatenated with N2 number of zeros here. Okay, so the concept is, for the number of zeros, just we have to move on to the right side. Whenever we see 1, it should be replaced by 0. Then again for the N2 number of zeros, just perform right move until we reach blank. Whenever we reach blank, perform left move, and 1 0 should be replaced by blank. This is the concept. So now we can draw the table. So the tape symbols are 0, 1, blank. 0, 1, blank. Assume that start state is Q0. So when we are in state Q0 and 0 is the tape symbol, I'll write it once again. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, blank. Okay, so we are in state Q0. Okay, so if we are in state Q0 and 0 is the tape symbol, then no change operation, right? No change in state and no change in tape symbol, just perform right move. So Q0 0, Q0 remains Q0, 0 remains 0, move is right move. Again we will we have another 0, so this operation is repeatedly performed until 1 is the tape symbol. Okay, until we have seen 1. So in state Q0, our current state is still Q0. So in state Q0, the next symbol is 1. 1 means then state remains same, state must be changed to Q1, and 1 should be replaced by 0, and the move is right move. Okay, so if we want to perform a single operation, single change operation, any operation, single operation means change state to next state, otherwise we will remain in the same state. Okay, so 0 0 0, 1 is replaced by 0 now, right? 1 is replaced by 0 and we entered into state Q1. So in state Q1, after replacing 1 by 0, tape head is scanning the next symbol 0, right? So in state Q1, we will see some number of zeros now. So in state Q1, if 0 is the tape symbol, no change in state and no change in tape symbol, move is right move. So this is repeatedly performed until we have seen blank. So now the tape head is scanning blank. Okay, so in Q1, if the tape head is scanning blank is the next tape symbol, then we need to perform left move, right? No change in this blank symbol, just perform left move. So change state to Q2, blank remains blank, move is left move. Okay, so now we are in state Q2 and the tape head is now scanning this symbol, right? After performing left move, the tape head is scanning this symbol and state enters into Q2, no change in this blank. So now in Q2 and in the left side of blank, definitely we have 0, right? So Q2 and 0 is the tape symbol, means this 0 must be replaced by blank, right? So state enters into Q3 and 0 should be replaced by blank, move is either left or right. So now it becomes this one. Okay, this is the content of tape now. So now the tape has 5 zeros. Initially it has 3 zeros, separator symbol 1 and 2 zeros. So finally we have performed the concatenation operation. Okay, so the other these blanks represent undefined operation. So Q3 also, all the functions are undefined. So whenever our Turing machine enters into any one of these undefined, then the Turing machine will halt. But we need to check the state. If the state is Q3, that is, if we halt in any one of these cases, we can say that the input string is accepted. But if we end with these 4 cases, then the Turing machine will halt, but it won't accept the input string. That is, it is not generated. The output is not generated properly. Okay, so now we can write the 7-tuple notation. So Turing machine M equals Q0 to Q3, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the input symbols are 0 and 1. And this is not the only way to do the concatenation. You can do your own method also. This is one way of concatenating two symbols, the strings. Okay, so zeros and ones are the tape input symbols. 0, 1, blank are the tape symbols. Delta is a transition function. Start state is Q0. Blank is a special tape symbol, and the final state is Q3. Now we can draw the transition diagram also for the same problem. Q0 is a start state. Q0 is a start state. And from Q0 to Q0, there is a transition. So 0/0 right move. Then from Q0 to Q1, 1/0 right move. Then from Q1 to Q1, 0/0 right move. Then from Q1 to Q2, blank/blank left move. Then from Q2 to Q3, and Q3 is a final state, so draw the double circle. 0/blank right move. Okay, so this is the transition diagram representation of the same problem. Thank you.